what do you say that how reading impacts your entrepreneurial journey?
It's always good to experience something and learn from it, but it's always better learn from other people's experiences.
काफी साल पुरानी भी बहुत सारी एजेंसीज हैं.
People don't realize अगर ओवर कमिट कर दिया तो उसके क्या ड्रॉबैक्स हैं. आपका रिलेशनशिप तो खराब होता है. Tomorrow that same client is going to tell 2 other people.
Correct,
What
yes.
will you do?
सोशल मीडिया और सब कुछ इतना ओपन है सबके सामने कि आप कुछ ना बोलोगे तो उसको तुरंत पता चल जाएगा यार.
If there is a chance that you might leave that, you might lose that client,
Of course, yeah.
or lose that project, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's absolutely fine. There'll be somebody else who's going to appreciate the fact that you were absolutely transparent. बिजनेस का 1000 दिन होता है, तो 1000 दिन तो आपको टिकना ही पड़ेगा. You will never chase an idea.
Correct.
Ideas chase you.
Some people don't follow rules, they actually make them. And that is why they're not chasing success, I feel. They're trying to make their own version of it. Welcome to Bosswala. My name is Keshav Puri, your host, your friend. And I'll be bringing great stories to you at the same channel. और आज एक नई कहानी के साथ, एक बहुत बढ़िया सफ़र के साथ हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं निधि रे. So ladies and gentlemen, please everybody, let's welcome Nidhi Ray, who is the chief doer of Grumpy Beard Media. First of all, welcome to Bosswala. How are you?
Thank you so much, Keshav. I'm doing really well. How are you doing? Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you so much for taking your time. People in Bangalore don't have time these days, and you have given us such time. So thank you so much.
No, anytime. Really happy to be here. Your team is lovely, and I'm really excited to do this with you.
So you call yourself chief doer of the company, of course, Grumpy Beard Media. Why the name chief doer?
Chief doer because I started this alone. And if I had not done what I did, I would not have gotten this far. आप मुझे नहीं बुला रहे होते podcast में. So इसलिए chief doer, and I still continue to do a lot of things. Go beyond, do the extra mile for our clients.
पर हमेशा ना ऐसे entrepreneurs कहते हैं कि if you only keep doing all the stuff, then how will you scale or grow? तो अगर आप ही chief doer रहोगे तो कैसे, अगर मतलब I'm just talking from a different lens, that's it.
नहीं, absolutely. I think if the founder is stuck in tactical things, of course there is no space for you to be able to think कि हाँ आप grow करते हैं.
Correct.
बट वो भी बात है कि अगर अब आपने कोई चीज़ सामान रख दिया है और उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया तो जंग तो लगेगा.
बराबर.
तो मैं जंग नहीं लगना देना चाहती. आई वॉन्ट टू बी upkeep with the trends. I want to be ready to help my team wherever needed. I want to be the face of my company when the clients need me, in good times and bad times. So I think that is an approach that I'm taking. Of course, tactical चीज़ों से थोड़ा बाहर आ रही हूँ अब मैं, so that I can scale.
So let's start from the beginning. निधि रे की जो शुरुआत है वो कॉलेज में निधि कैसी थी?
एज अ चाइल्ड काफ़ी ज़्यादा टॉकेटिव थी मैं. मतलब अनबिलीवेबल टॉकेटिव. पेरेंट्स बहुत परेशान रहते थे.
अच्छा.
पर एक ऐसा टाइम आ गया है अब उनको बोलना पड़ता है कि बेटा बोल लो कुछ.
सो अच्छा ऐसा आ गया है.
हाँ,
वो ट्रांजिशन हो गया है.
15 साल से तो कम से कम ये ट्रांजिशन हो गया है. एक्चुअली माई फादर हैज़ बीन एब्सेंट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ की मोमेंट्स बिकॉज इनका ट्रैवलिंग का इतना था, विच आई अंडरस्टैंड. बट वॉट एवर टाइम ही स्पेंट, ही इज़ एक्चुअली स्पेंट इन नर्चरिंग सम स्किल. कि बेटा इंग्लिश अच्छे से, उनको इंग्लिश अच्छे से स्टार्टिंग में नहीं आती थी बोलना. अच्छा. बट ही वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ मल्टीनेशनल. सो अब आप देख लो, लाइक ही वॉज सो गुड एट इट. ही वॉज लाइक नहीं, बच्चों को, दोनों बेटियों को इंग्लिश तो आना चाहिए. सो दे हैड सर्टन नोशंस एंड विच आई थिंक दे हैव डन फॉर द, दे हैव एब्सोल्युटली डन इट द राइट वे. वो जो अपब्रिंगिंग है उन्होंने सही करी है. बट लाइक आई सेड, इनिशिएटिव्स शुरू से ही लेने की आदत थी. कुछ खुद करना था. क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे हैं, My parents used to say नहीं खेलना है. I used to say मैं क्यों नहीं खेल सकती? And I used to love playing those sports which I was ideally not allowed to play. So that's how actually I ended up playing hockey state level.
Wow.
I ended up playing basketball district level. Because of the fact that my parents used to say बेटा काले हो जाओगे आप.
हाँ करेक्ट. धूप में
काले हो जाओगे. अच्छा, हम लोग के यहाँ पे ये भी था, चाय पीने से काले हो जाओगे. ये मेरे को ये सब लॉजिक आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड. I said let me do it.
So you always questioned.
I always questioned. My parents didn't like it. I think.
कोई भी parent नहीं
nobody
like.
likes, right? Nobody likes. Beyond a certain point, nobody will entertain ki, why so much? Why are you so inquisitive? एक बार बोल दिया करो. But I always questioned, I think for the right reasons. I wanted to know why I was not allowed to do certain things. So we decided, चलो, let's try. Architecture भी तो है. See if you have any heart. So I gave the exams. I topped those exams, and then I went to Chandigarh. Did architecture for 1.5 years actually, and 6 months I just travelled without telling anybody. Parents, probably were क्या चल रहा है and all, but of course मैं कॉलेज अटेंड करी थी, but I wanted to travel a little bit, एक्सपीरियंस क्या करना है, क्या चल रहा है आसपास क्या चल रहा है, चंडीगढ़ के आसपास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बड़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं.
करेक्ट.
सो आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल अलोन.
बगल में हिमाचल है.
हाँ, बगल में ही है.
इधर आपका पूरा हरियाणा आ जाता है.
Exactly.
कुरुक्षेत्र अम्बाला.
एग्जैक्टली. सो
उधर मनाली चले जाओ.
हाँ, तो वो 6 months में ही मैंने इंटर्नशिप भी किया था at Times of India in Delhi.
Okay.
So now by the end of it, of course I had slowly started dropping hints कि भाई नहीं हो रहा है architecture. But my dad said कि देख लो, ठीक है, because in his point of view, I think all kids go through this phase where they are not liking something.
Yeah.
But one day I just left everything and I came back. I just had to leave it. I knew.
You've always been brave to take decisions, is what I can see.
Yeah, I
You
think.
took those decisions and not procrastinating, probably just sitting on it and thinking.
हाँ, बहुत लोग करते हैं ये. मुझे अभी भी ये a lot of people give me this advice that before you take that decision, think over it. I'm like, okay, I will think over it, and they're right also in certain cases.
Yeah,
but in these cases, I think अगर मैंने नहीं लिया होता तो आप वो डर में रह जाते हो
बहुत
कि
ज़्यादा.
घर वाले इतने extended family, which happened.
Correct.
Which
और
does
अब
happen.
पैसा लग गया है.
इतना पैसा लग
Fees
गया
जा चुकी
है. Exactly.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Exactly.
मतलब, हाँ.
अब मैं उनको क्या समझाऊं कि बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आपके दिमाग में इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है कि आपने सब छोड़ दिया है. आप वापस आ रहे हो, आपको जीरो से भी नीचे से स्टार्ट करना है.
बराबर.
आपके पास कुछ नहीं है
सही बात.
एट दिस पॉइंट बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट.
Correct.
ऐसा भी नहीं आप जॉब कर रहे थे. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया वाज अ बेयरली पेड इंटर्नशिप.
करेक्ट. पर इसमें सपोर्ट किसी का रहा है? जैसे आप बचपन से यू बिन little unconventional and all of that.
I don't think they were never supportive. I think my mother has been supportive through and through. She has always questioned.
मम्मी हमेशा
हाँ,
प्यारी होती हैं यार.
mostly mother has always been there by my side. I have been very fortunate to find some really good mentors.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think
Information.
the point is don't wait
Yeah.
for
Don't
anything to
wait.
come.
Exactly.
You take your step.
Exactly.
Right? And things are there out
Yeah,
there. आपको
yeah.
बस थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करके आप कर सकते हो.
Absolutely.
That's that. You're talking about reading. So I think I've seen that reading is a constant thing which is there with every one of them.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone is saying about read this book, read that book. So what do you say that how reading impacts your entrepreneurial journey?
I've just started reading a book that I'm, I think, forgetting. It's on startups, by the way.
Okay.
Written by Guy Kawasaki.
Okay.
उसमें एक लाइन है which I realized is so true. It's always good to experience something and learn from it, but it's always better to learn from other people's experiences.
Correct.
This is a solid learning, which is what is there in so many books. Last week I picked up a book, some 150 pages book. I finished it in 2 days. I think आज के टाइम में first problem is not retention, but the patience to sit and first open a book.
Correct.
एक बार आपने
वो
वो
नहीं है.
क्रैक कर लिया, it's great. We talk about this book called Atomic Habits.
Correct. Yeah.
This book has a funda, it's called 1% change, right? वो फंडा is simply nothing but आज आपने एक चीज़ आप क्या चेंज कर रहे हो
अपने आप
में, अपनी हैबिट्स में, अपने बारे में. दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ गोइंग टू कीप कंपाउंडिंग एंड हेल्प यू गेट बेटर, राइट? इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु इज़ नॉट ओके और नॉट बीन रीडिंग सो मच, आइडियली आई वुड सजेस्ट एक बुक उठाइए. एंड आज के यूथ के लिए फर्स्ट बुक आई विल रिकमेंड इज साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मनी, सो दैट यू स्टॉप लूजिंग मनी एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट लॉन्ग टर्म, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट स्टिल. आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग इट आउट. आई थिंक you need to learn how to
it's very important.
save money, how to invest it and grow it.
Correct.
start reading that book, start reading 1 or 2 pages in a day. You just have to maybe रात में सोने के पहले आप doom scrolling मत करिए इंस्टाग्राम पे.
हाँ बराबर.
Read 2-3 pages and sleep. आपको नींद भी अच्छी आएगी.
पर फर्क क्या पड़ता है? जर्नी कैसे बेटर होती है रीडिंग से?
फर्क ये पड़ता है बिकॉज देर इज इंफॉर्मेशन जो आप शायद डेली लाइफ में यू कम अक्रॉस या किसी ने आपके साथ शेयर किया है, बट व्हेन यू गो थ्रू समबडी गेट इनटू द डीपर फैक्ट्स डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर योर हराइजन्स ब्रॉडन. So that is what books can do.
And I think you realize while reading also, अरे ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
Exactly.
मैं ऐसे कर सकती हूँ इस चीज़ को, ऐसे कर सकता हूँ.
आपका अप्रोच कुछ हो सकता है, पर वो बुक से आपको रियलाइज होगा अच्छा इसके 3 और तरीके हैं.
सही बात.
तो that is how I think reading really helps. I think people should read both kinds of books which are your subject matter experts.
Correct.
जितने भी बुक्स होती हैं.
Correct.
आपकी स्टार्टअप्स, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एक्सेट्रा पे हो गई. एंड फिक्शन भी पढ़ना चाहिए. I think fiction is a great way of delving yourself in another's world's story.
Yes.
And just being comfortable with reading.
जैसे आपने मुझे बताया, अभी बात कर रहे थे हम लोग कि आपने कंटेंट राइटिंग से, बिकॉज आप राइटर, एक अच्छी इनबिल्ट वो क्वालिटी आपके अंदर बचपन से ही थी, तो आप कंटेंट राइटिंग में चली गई. तो कंटेंट राइटिंग ठीक है, बट कंटेंट राइटिंग से आपने मार्केटिंग में स्विच करा है. तो अक्सर हम राइटर्स को जो देखते हैं वो बड़े ही रिजर्व्ड, बहुत अपने में रहने वाले और ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं है, वो अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं. एंड दे आर ऑलवेज इनटू सम स्टोरी और द अदर. इतनी बातें वो कम करते हैं. बट एज यू टोल्ड, आप बहुत टॉकेटिव थे. तो कंटेंट राइटिंग से किधर भी जा सकते थे आप, मार्केटिंग में ही क्यों? और फिर बिजनेस हेड बने कुछ कंपनीज के, जैसे जैसे करियर आगे बढ़ा, तो वो स्विच कैसे हुआ?
मैंने कंटेंट राइटिंग से शुरू किया.
हाँ.
फिर धीरे धीरे कॉपी में आ गई. सो आई वाज डूइंग एड बेस्ड कॉपीज नाउ. There was a point, I think 2013 में ही, when I had an opportunity to meet one of the biggest directors of this country to discuss a script,
okay,
which I had not written, which was written by another writer,
okay,
but I had the opportunity of sort of co-write it.
Correct.
तब मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली फिल्म्स में इशू ये है कि वो will it see its fruition or no is not a certainty, and it did not. So I continued doing it. I used to read a lot of advertising related books at that time.
तो वो डायरेक्टर से क्या बेनिफिट हुआ जो आप?
वो डायरेक्टर से ये बेनिफिट हुआ क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे एक आदमी के बारे में बताया. His name is Piyush Pandey.
Okay.
Piyush Pandey is the legend of advertising.
Of course.
Right?
Come on.
And he is part of Ogilvy. He has been for ages. Yes. The ads that he has done are absolutely
another level.
Yeah. I mean, when you feel that way, I was just 18 years old. For me to feel like, oh wow, I wanted to just meet that man, and learn from him.
Nice.
So I started reading a lot of books around advertising. I was reading about David Ogilvy. I was also reading about Piyush Pandey. I was reading about a lot of other advertising case studies. And because BBA भी कर रही थी, तो वो exposure काफ़ी high था of marketing and advertising.
Correct.
तो
Administration का पूरा.
Exactly. I realized, okay, marketing में कुछ कर सकते हैं. Let's try. So that time, I think I started consulting with a few hotel groups and an IT company. And while content was still core of it, I was also helping them work on some marketing strategies around social media. With whatever, little I knew and whatever I was learning on the go. 2019, my husband got a really good opportunity in Bangalore. So that's the year when we moved to Bangalore. And for me, it was like, it was a forced restart. Because I was still not sure मैं करूँगी क्या.
Correct.
And it was the greatest decision I think I ever took. Because then I would have gotten stuck into what I was not already happy with. मेरे पास वो scope ही नहीं होता, and I was already in that box where I needed to step out. So Bangalore was that, that turning point. हाँ जी, that turning point. We moved here in 2019. 15 days of moving here, I got a job. I joined CureFit. And I joined their Eat Fit version, the food version, vertical. And so when I joined Eat Fit, that's when my boss at that point, she said, you are here for a copy role, but don't get stuck to copy. You need to do more things, because I think in my interview they realized that, you know, she is not someone we'll be able to contain to one role.
Yeah.
Let's keep her moving. So within 6 months I got promoted. Then again 6 months I got promoted.
Very
People get promoted in 1 year, 2 years.
Correct,
I got
correct.
promoted twice in 1 year.
Wow.
And they said ki now you lead the marketing vertical for the food
क्या
business.
बात है यार.
I said that
So
was
Bangalore
great.
twisted things for
Yeah,
you.
yeah, it did.
Really.
And I was the youngest
Lead.
person to head their marketing division.
Wow.
So a lot of people were also very unhappy, maybe.
Of course.
But
Who are
I think
senior to
it was-
you.
who are senior to
They
me
are
and
reporting
are at
to
a junior position, right? They're reporting to me. I think that's the thing about good leaders, right? Whether you are a male or a female, I think that the support is consistent
Yeah.
if you have a mentor.
Yeah.
So that's been
And
always there.
that's what they say. A leader, actually, the right leader is somebody who makes others leaders. You know?
Exactly.
So that's
exactly.
right. Good, good. Yeah, please
That's
continue.
right. So that's how I switched from
Different roles.
From different roles, from your copywriting to marketing. I also think if somebody is in copy or in content, for you to and if you're working on the brand the agency side, right? And there are multiple brands that will
Correct.
come.
Correct.
The best part about a copywriter interacting with those brands is because you can write, you can visualize really well. That's true for people who are filmmakers as well, who are artists in general. I think they have better visual capacity
Yes.
to understand what are the different components of a brief, or how can this brief look in 2-3 different ways. So for me it came very naturally. अब एक साइड आपका ब्रांड का हो गया है,
सही बात।
एजेंसी इज अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट
Different world altogether.
absolutely मतलब and I was just the first few members who had joined
अच्छा।
this company.
अच्छा. तो आप किस पोजीशन पे गई वहाँ?
मैं एक्चुअली गई तो एट अ लोअर लेवल ही थी,
हाँ, हाँ.
पर 2 महीने में उनको रियलाइज हुआ कि इनको लोअर लेवल पे रख के कोई फायदा नहीं है. यू पुट हर एट अ हायर लेवल, स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अ टीम. सो दैट्स व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग द टीम टू एन एक्सटेंट that by the time I left the company there were 200 team members.
Wow.
When I had joined, there were just 15-20 only. But agency was a different ball game, and I think that's where I realized कि भाई agency is where things will never get monotonous.
Yeah.
Agency में there's a lot of scope to do a lot of right things, great things the right way.
Correct.
पर मेरे लिए the best or the flipping point in that agency was when I got cred. Do you remember that campaign where Rahul Dravid does Indira Nagar ka Gunda?
Yeah.
That is the campaign that we got.
अरे वाह.
And I was over the moon.
क्या
I was like, ये campaign तो मैं किसी के हाथ नहीं दूंगी. I will do it myself. If I have to do it alone, I'll do it.
Right.
You will not touch it. It's okay. But yeah, my founders were also.
और बहुत चला था वो तो यार
Yeah,
campaign.
yeah.
It was a hit.
We did an entire IPL season. I remember. I was very proud of that campaign. It was the highlight of my life at that point of time.
Superb.
I could gloat about it. So I was really happy. But yeah,
Chalo, nice.
it was a great great turning point from moving from a brand to agency.
Correct. So then eventually this grumpy beard media happened.
Yes.
When you realized कि यार नहीं अपना ही कुछ करते हैं. After going to an agency बोले कि यार अपनी एजेंसी खोलते हैं फिर तो.
Yeah.
तो वो कैसे कब हुआ and how did this name came in? तो ये सब थोड़ा बताइए इस पर.
Yeah, so I'll tell you कैसे हुआ पहले. 22 में I decided कि भाई अब I'll drop out of this agency. So what happened is कि मैंने drop out कर दिया. मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो I'll get back
पर उन्होंने
into
छोड़ा
business.
कैसे? वो तो आपको जाने नहीं दे
नहीं
रहे.
वो नहीं जाने दे रहे थे. But I explained them why. I just felt like कि मेरा growth का threshold खत्म हो गया है. ठीक है, brands will keep growing. Many more brands will. I think at that very year when I was leaving, we had done the highest revenue ever, and the biggest client was already in my kitty. I did some really solid consulting. So this mentor of mine who was at Curefit, she started her own startup, which was a Web3 based, blockchain based
Okay.
startup. Really interesting, very nice, because I have had experience working with Web3 based companies. I was consulting with them for a year. I was consulting with a Dubai based company same time. So then, my husband said that you are doing this. might as well do what you were actually always hoping to do.
Yeah, always wanting to do.
Always wanting to do. नहीं चला तो नहीं चलेगा. It's okay. You are anyways consulting. People are happy to bring you on board.
सही है.
You will get a job or you will consult again. क्या what is the risk? You tell
सही
me.
बात है.
Right? Gujarati में there's a saying. My husband is Gujarati. So there's a saying. I don't know exactly what to say, but वो उसका मतलब ये है कि हर business का 1000 दिन होता है.
हाँ.
तो 1000 दिन तो आपको टिकना ही पड़ेगा.
टिकना ही पड़ेगा.
To understand whether the business is doing well or
सही
no.
बात है, हाँ.
Right? ठीक है, हमने बोला चलो श्री गणेश, let's
करो.
start. 2023 in March, I started Grumpy Beard, and I actually got my first client before the agency was even established. So my first client was Apollo Hospitals.
First
And
client.
First client was
अभी
Apollo
एजेंसी
Hospitals.
नाम
अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुई है.
शुरू भी नहीं हुई.
मैंने अभी बोला है बस मेरे नाम से ही है जो है. उन्होंने फर्स्ट क्लाइंट, हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हो गया अपोलो के
अच्छा.
साथ. एंड
तो ऐसे में आप रीच आउट कैसे फिर करते हो?
अच्छा,
कोई
मैंने
था
रीच
जहाँ-
आउट किया नहीं है.
अच्छा.
सो दिस वाज बिकॉज बायजूस यूज्ड टू बी माय क्लाइंट,
ओके.
and that Byju's, one slowly started disintegrating, right? So some team members, they must have left the job, moved
Okay.
somewhere else. So one of the senior members, she moved to Apollo,
ओके.
and she knew me. She knew my style of working. So she reached out saying, "Oh, you are still at the agency?" I said, "No, I have started on my own." So she said, "Oh, that's great. Let's talk." So we started talking. We started talking in February, and मेरा तो इसी होप में था कि चलो ठीक है, पहला क्लाइंट बिना शुरू किए भी आ रहा है.
मतलब ये तो सोने पे सुहागा.
हाँ, सोने पे सुहागा, पर बहुत रिस्की है. नहीं आया तो क्या करूँगी? तो मार्च में आई स्टार्टेड रीचिंग आउट टू सम ब्रांड्स, बट मार्च एंड तक दिस हैड ऑलरेडी मटेरियलाइज्ड, एंड इट वाज स्ट्रेट 50 lakhs. Like there was no this and that. There was straight away 50 lakhs. You are over the moon, right? You know, अरे ये तो success, instant success. It's a bad say. It's a bad thing to say,
Yeah.
or even think, because when it happens once, right?
Yeah.
Now you are at that high. There is
Correct.
adrenaline. You're like, you will win the
ये
world.
हर बार अभी तो बिना कुछ करे आगे जब करूंगी तो फिर
Exactly.
2-3 करोड़ तो कहीं नहीं गए.
Exactly, कहीं नहीं गए. But that happened, and I was really grateful. We did that fabulously. Apollo is our retained client, even till date. But वो वहाँ से मुझे समझ आया कि, and even I had conversations with people, and that's when I realized that ये बहुत अच्छी बात है that this has happened, which means you are set out to do something right, so you have motivation. You will not leave
करेक्ट.
this journey.
बिल्कुल 200%.
And you will not leave this journey, and you can continue doing this. And very slowly I started reaching out to a lot of clients, started converting a lot of them, and that's how Grumpy Beard Media started.
तो नेटवर्क का मतलब बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले हुआ है यहाँ पे.
Yes, and मेरा एक फोकस भी रहा है. Like I told you, right? I actually I became an introvert over a period of time. So मेरे लिए my fear was this fear of communicating with new people, trying to sell them something.
Correct.
How will I do it? I had no idea.
Oh.
So, but for some of the other reasons, my relationships were very strong, which means that whichever client came to me directly, I serviced them in a way that they will not forget about me. So there were SOPs, there was transparent communication. वो day one से ही एक फंडा था that I always kept. Which is why I think it helped me when I started my own agency. And a lot of people started reaching out to me directly instead of me reaching out.
करेक्ट. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ये होता है ना कि बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि कोई आपको 100 रुपए दे और आप उसको 500 रुपए का काम करके दे दोगे ना,
Exactly.
तो भूलेगा नहीं आप.
Exactly.
तो और बहुत सारे लोग ना शुरुआत में गलती करते हैं, इज व्हाट आई फील,
हाँ.
कि अरे यार 100 ही तो मिल रहे हैं,
Yeah.
क्यों 200 का मेहनत करनी है वहाँ पे. 100 की मेहनत कर, 200 के लिए किसी और के में करेंगे.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक जब आप 100 पे 500 का डालते हो ना, तो फिर अगले बंदे को लगता है यार कि यार बताओ इसने तो मेरे लिए इतना कर दिया.
Exactly. I think that's what we were able to pull off with Apollo. We were able to pull off with all of our clients. Even till date, अब 2 साल हो गए हैं to this agency. I don't think we are worried about going that extra mile. I don't think अब जैसे कभी problems भी होती हैं, दिक्कत भी आती है. कभी किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उसने मना कर दिया लास्ट मिनट, लॉस मेरा होगा, राइट? sometimes we bear that loss.
Correct.
But and it has reaped us benefits. The client has seen that, you know, to what
Patience.
extent the agency has gone for us. So that way I think and कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि some clients will exploit you. You are a newer agency,
Correct.
right? They will exploit you because they will squeeze you for money.
बिल्कुल.
वो भी होता है, but I have made sure of two things. One is we will never do unethical work, and we will never say yes in very compromised situations. आप बहुत squeeze करके, if you are being absolutely, you know, unjust to the impact that I can bring, it's okay. I don't want to.
और जो बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
बिकॉज आज की डेट में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी इतनी सारी हैं.
Yeah.
वही आई वाज सरप्राइज टू नो कि पहली जो क्लाइंट आपका 50 लाख पे आपने क्लोज किया, वो बिना कंपनी खोले आ गया, जबकि इतनी सैकड़ों एजेंसियां काम कर रही हैं एंड गुड एजेंसीज.
Yeah.
मतलब काफी साल पुरानी भी बहुत सारी एजेंसीज हैं.
Exactly.
तो उनको ना जाकर इंसान आपके पास आ रहा है, तो वही कुछ क्रेडिबिलिटी तो आप होल्ड कर ही रहे हो.
होता ही है और वो करना भी पड़ता
करना
है.
पड़ता है.
बहुत सारी एजेंसी, अब जैसे हमारे पास क्लाइंट आते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि यू नो दिस एक्स एजेंसी इज डूइंग इट एट 50% लेस कॉस्ट. आई टेल देम प्लीज गो अहेड.
करेक्ट.
If you want the result that I can bring and the way that we will do this campaign, I think that's my forte and that's my expertise, then please, we will be more than happy to service you. But if they are giving you at lesser cost, please feel
go.
free. And you'll not believe they'll come back eventually. वो first campaign करके U-turn मार के आते ही हैं because
क्योंकि वो लेवल का
it
काम
did
नहीं
not happen. Yeah, they could not deliver. They overcommitted.
Correct.
हमारे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में that's a problem. People are not people don't realize कि अगर ओवर कमिट कर दिया तो उसकी क्या ड्रॉबैक्स हैं. आपका रिलेशनशिप तो खराब होता ही.
सही बात है.
बट टुमारो दैट सेम क्लाइंट इज गोइंग टू टेल 2 other people.
करेक्ट.
What will you do?
करेक्ट. सिर्फ बोलने के लिए है.
Exactly. बट हमारे केस में वन थिंग, वी आर एब्सोल्युटली ट्रांसपेरेंट. अननेसेसरी KPIs नहीं लेंगे हम क्लियरली बोल देते हैं ये मेट्रिक हम चेज कर रहे हैं, इसका एक इम्पैक्ट ऐसा भी हो सकता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बैकफायर और इट मे नॉट गेट completed. The clients are okay. The clients are, at least you are transparent about it. You are not selling us the wrong thing.
So new entrepreneurs have to learn this, I guess.
Yeah.
To understand कि be honest, be patient and be transparent. Grumpy Beard Media.
Yeah.
So first Grumpy, then Beard. Of course media तो है ही.
Yeah.
बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है. कैसे हुआ ये?
हाँ जी. सो क्लाइंट्स पूछते हैं, हमारे लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया आइस ब्रेकर है. मुझे बहुत बड़ा मज़ा भी आता है बताने में. बट 2013 में व्हेन आई मेट अ गाय and you know we used to talk about a lot of things. Both of us were on the idea that कुछ अलग करेंगे, कुछ different करना है. Because he had a films background and you know I thought okay, that's a very interesting space to be in. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, you know why not. Now this person was always grumpy. At least initially of me knowing him, he was always grumpy. Like
Okay.
barely he used to smile.
Okay.
And I'm such a smiley person. I'll smile and all
full
of that.
of life and
Yeah, I am like
talking
that.
and all of that.
And he, I mean, this is subjective. Maybe a lot of women don't like it or men don't like it. But I used to like beard on him.
Okay.
And in general, I used to like it.
That's
Yeah.
your perception, okay?
Yeah, that's my perception. So that's how. And because we wanted to start something, so we started Grumpy Beard Films.
Okay.
Now this is 12 years ago. We started actually working wo time pe on a project for Ahmedabad. Now Ahmedabad actually got declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. And just before that or around that time, we had started doing this research on the very old parts of Ahmedabad where you know they had some beautiful history there, etc. जब हम ये रिसर्च कर रहे थे तो हमारे ऊपर आई थिंक somebody had covered this as well and you know there was some article that she had written जो हमको वो टाइम पे मिला भी नहीं, वो काफ़ी समय बाद हमें मिला कि अच्छा किसी ने लिखा भी था. That project of course we could not continue and life happened, but we read that article and we thought okay, there is something that we could have done. Cut to now. When I was, you know, I was thinking of a name, I was like, I'm stuck to Grumpy Beard.
Okay.
But the benefit of having media means that tomorrow if I want to do films, it can become part of the company.
Correct. Any.
And that is what the intention is. I wanted to make sure that this becomes an integrated agency of things that we can do for our clients, which we have actually in some or the other way. We don't just do digital, we have done some offline activations for our clients. So having Grumpy Beard media made sense where the films was a part of. And just to let you know, I did get married to that guy.
Oh, superb.
Yeah,
That's why the
so-
name stays, and of course the guy
Yes,
stays.
the guy stays, the name stays, and he's also the co-founder who's
Oh.
just joined us.
चलो कहीं आपने
Retired.
स्पेस दे दिया बंदे
हाँ,
को.
वो दे दिया मैंने.
चल
मतलब
यार तू
कोई
को
बात
फाउंडर
नहीं.
बन जा.
कोई बात नहीं. I have given you a reason to now quit your job and join us and
Super,
full time.
super, super.
So yeah, that's how Grumpy Beard
I
made.
think that's what couples should learn. कि अगर आप एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करके एक दूसरे को ग्रो करने में मदद करते हो ना, तो वो रिलेशन बेस्ट है.
Yeah, I mean,
मेरे हिसाब से.
when he told me to take the leap,
Correct,
right?
हाँ.
I was not sure. मैं नहीं ले पाती. अगर उसने नहीं बोला होता, मैं फिर भी नहीं ले पाती. Okay, but I think in the back of my mind somewhere I knew that okay, financially if something went wrong, he's going to be
He's there,
there. He's going to be taking care of things. Initially होता भी था. I think when we got Apollo, there was a dry period for a couple of months. Season में ही आ रहा था. And of course, you're a newer agency.
नहीं,
People will not put in their trust so quickly. So that's the thing. I think we have complemented each other through this period. That now he's also able to join as
Correct.
co-founder.
तो पहले उन्होंने बोला you take a leap, then you
Yeah,
said
yeah. Now it's his
relationship
turn.
goals, guys.
Yeah, now I'm like, okay, now you can join and maybe I will get that break that I deserve after all these years.
But जितना मैंने आपको जाना है, आप ब्रेक कभी
हाँ,
दोगे
मतलब
नहीं.
शायद वो नहीं.
मुश्किल ही है ब्रेक
हाँ,
आप.
no, that's the thing, yeah.
Your company is supposed to make viral
Yes.
content, right? तो let's talk about that. कि आप वायरल मार्केटिंग का आपका एक तरह से फोटे कह सकते हैं, आपकी कंपनी का है. तो ये वायरलिटी पहली बात क्या है, लाइक?
See, virality is something that at least people understand is overnight सबको दिखने लगे. You are suddenly sharing it.
एकदम
you are
से हर
suddenly-
जगह दिख रहा है.
हर जगह दिख रहा है, right? Which is, for example, I gave that cred example, right? Indira Nagar का गुंडा, Rahul Dravid doing this. Everywhere, everyone was talking about it the next day. And we had lost our wits. We were like, wow, how
चल
did this
क्या रहा है?
happen?
हाँ.
कैसे हुआ? So, that is virality.
हाँ.
अभी टू अज्यूम, आजकल बड़े सारे क्लाइंट्स हैं, वो हमारे पास अभी भी क्लाइंट्स आते हैं जो कहते हैं भाई ये वायरल करना है, बताओ क्या करें. मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ, आप टू द क्लाइंट विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स, प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड वी डोंट हैव अ मैजिक वॉन्ड ऑफ डूइंग दिस.
correct.
कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है.
सही बात है.
It's a very, very, engineered process of how you can make something viral. Now, Rahul Dravid becoming viral is a great example because you don't expect Rahul Dravid to
be a
have a
gunda.
fit of anger and say, I am the gunda,
Yeah,
right?
great.
Traffic रोक के बोल रहा है. You don't expect him. That's why it can get
Crazy.
viral.
Yes.
But there has to be something happening for great content to become viral. So वो जो push होता है ना, that push needs to come from somewhere, and that is what we are good at.
From the agency.
Yes.
But why this? Why you chose viral marketing? Did you thought कि यार ये I can crack, या क्योंकि जबकि आपको पता है इसमें इतनी uncertainty है.
Absolutely. So I'm not the first player who's doing this. There are agencies
Plenty of
in the, हाँ जी, बड़ी सारी agencies हैं. दो चीज़ें हैं इसमें, एक होता है अप्रोच और दूसरा होता है नेटवर्क. हाउ डीप इज़ योर नेटवर्क टू गेट समथिंग वायरल, वेदर इट इज़ इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर और यूट्यूब, एंड हाउ डू यू अप्रोच अ सर्टन प्रॉब्लम.
तो हमें पता चला है कि आप भी किसी IPL टीम का कुछ तो हैंडल करते हो.
Yes.
तो ठीक है, आप if you're not comfortable with the name and all, that's fine. But if you can tell the journey of it.
Yeah,
Right.
sure. So this actually happened in 22 when I was starting. Sorry, 23 when I was starting. And I told you, right, initially I started reaching out to some people. IPL was about to start. It was a very, it was
Biggest
like...
buzz.
हाँ, it was like तीर लगा तो लगा, नहीं तो
अच्छा वो वैसा वाला.
blank.
सही है.
हाँ. So I started reaching out to some franchise owners and their team members. And 2 of those franchise owners reached, as in responded. एक के साथ बात नहीं हुई, दूसरे के साथ it was a trust game. They were like, We don't know. We don't know. It's our first time. We don't know what viral marketing is. We don't know what you are pitching. But if you have confidence, we are ready to bet some money on it.
Very nice.
Very small campaign. We did that for the first year. And they were super happy. They were very happy with how it panned out. Next year, 3 times ho gaya budget.
वाह वाह.
And they also did tell me, so I met them this year before IPL started, and they said that doing these activities have somewhere increased the brand value of that team. Why? Because conversion बता रही हूँ आपको.
हाँ.
ब्रांड की endorsements जो आती है ना, this team has a lot of them
A lot of them.
compared to what they had 2 years ago.
Correct.
So that way, we were also very happy with that. Okay, this is a nice metric to think about. But yeah, IPL, it's been an interesting journey, and I think how we've done this campaign, the client's trust has been absolutely unshakable in us. So it does also really well. IPL, everyone loves the team players, everything. So yeah, I think that's been a big achievement for us, because और कोई टीम कर नहीं रही थी at that point of time.
मैं ये आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि जैसे हम बात करते हैं when the company is growing, और तो बहुत सारे challenges आते हैं, बहुत सारे hurdles आप face करते हो. तो कौन से ऐसे challenges हैं जो आपको लगा यार ये बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ है, but eventually you cross that?
काफ़ी challenges हैं, but I will share probably a couple of challenges. One is as an entrepreneur.
Of course, yeah.
And as an agency, both.
Yeah.
I'll first tell you about the agency. Now, last year we were doing our biggest campaign with a brand called Meesho, and everyone knows,
Okay. So
what
that's
the
your
scale of
largest
this.
campaign
Yeah,
also?
that's our largest campaign.
Okay.
Largest campaign in terms of the contingent of influencers that we had for this particular.
How many of them?
50 plus.
50 plus influencers in one campaign.
Yes.
Wow.
एंड अगर आप चलो 50 प्लस अगर है भी और वो सारे बड़े मैक्रो कैटेगरी के हैं तो समझ में भी आता है, ईजियर टू हैंडल देम, क्योंकि सबकी टीम्स हैं.
सही बात.
दीज आर पीपल in the hyper local regions of certain states
बाप रे बाप.
where the stories are different, the way of creating content is different. Everything is different, and there are some big ticket creators as well, where you have different challenges there also.
Of course.
कैसे कराएंगे? अब somebody has gone to Met Gala, अरे आप बताओ कैसे होगा? अब तो भी the creators have gone ahead, they have helped us, वहाँ से videos बना के भेज रहे हैं, सब किया उन लोगों ने.
अच्छा.
But I think challenge here was how do we make sure that everything happens properly. It was a big campaign. It was big in terms of value, in terms of creators, in terms of what this campaign could have brought for us as an agency, everything. It was a high-stake campaign.
Yeah.
I don't think I have slept for 1.5 months.
Wow.
For this, because initially थोड़ा planning में time था, तो I was invested there with my team, and execution तो सिर्फ 8 दिन का ही था. But what I mean, that execution was absolutely amazing. The way we did everything, how those creators, it's almost like somebody is running an orchestra. That's how smoothly everything happened.
ब्रांड की तरफ से कुछ चैलेंज आया कि यार ब्रांड ने कभी तंग करा हो, या ब्रांड कुछ चाह रहा है और क्योंकि लीडरशिप ने जो आपने बात बोली थी कि कुछ कह दिया यार ये करो, एंड दे आर लाइक दे हैव टू सेव द जॉब्स और प्रॉब्ली बी इन द गुड बुक्स, तो उनको ये है कि यार अगर उसने कल सुबह बोला है मैं आज शाम को ही दे दूंगा, बोलूंगा सर हो गया. ऐसा भी तो बहुत होता होगा.
बिल्कुल होता है, बट आई विल टेल यू द बेस्ट पार्ट, हाउ कैन यू अवॉइड दिस और मिनिमाइज दिस. हमारी एक आदत क्या है, हम सब डॉक्यूमेंट कर देते हैं ईमेल पे. ये डिस्कस हुआ है, ये ब्रीफ है, ये डिलीवरेबल्स हैं, यहाँ जितनी डिटेल में, एज डिटेल्ड एज आई कैन गो, आई विल शेयर दीज ईमेल्स विद द क्लाइंट. सो इफ सडनली दे कम एंड टेल मी कि नहीं ये करना है, ये हमने बोला था, ये क्यों नहीं हुआ, आई हैव प्रूफ टू शो यू.
करेक्ट.
आई एम नॉट सेइंग नो.
पर इतना डॉक्यूमेंट चलता है, मतलब
करना पड़ता है.
नहीं आप करते हो, वो ठीक है,
करना पड़ता है,
पर क्लाइंट उतने डॉक्यूमेंट के जरिए से जाता है, उसको कहता है नहीं यार भाई मुझे तो चाहिए.
सी इफ ही मिसेस, इट्स योर फॉल्ट, राइट? पर तुमने उसके बेसिस पे सब क्लोज किया है.
पर आप उससे लड़ भी तो सकते ना, आपका क्लाइंट है वो.
हाँ, पर हम नहीं लड़ते ना. ठीक है, सब
मतलब आप ना भी नहीं बोल सकते ना, क्योंकि क्लाइंट है आपका.
हाँ, तो हम नहीं बोलते ना. दैट्स व्हाट वी से. सो जैसे ऐसा एक बार हुआ था ड्यूरिंग द सेम कैंपेन. but we had everything documented.
Correct.
We had multiple ways of documenting. WhatsApp पे भी documented था. हमने उनको दे दिया, हमने दिखाया आप जो कह रहे हो हम करके देंगे, मना नहीं कर रहे, बट हियर इज द प्रूफ. भाई हमको किसी ने कभी कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
बोला ही नहीं.
I will turn it around still in the next 1 hour. And we did.
अच्छा,
So,
वो कॉन्फिडेंस
हाँ, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आई हैव कि आई कैन टर्न इट अराउंड.
बट लेकिन बता के.
पर बता के कि सी इट्स नॉट माई फॉल्ट. द डॉक्यूमेंटिंग का यही एक बेनिफिट है कि आप किसी के सामने यू आर स्टिल एक्सेप्टिंग व्हाट दे वांट, बट यू आर नॉट द स्मॉलर पर्सन इन एनी वे, और यू आर नॉट मिस्ड आउट अ डिटेल. यू आर वेरी वेरी डिटेल ओरिएंटेड. बस उन्होंने मिस कर दिया है तो उनको पता होना चाहिए कि उन्होंने मिस. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स हु विल बुलडोज एजेंसीज on a lot of things, and it happens. तो might as well keep yourself safe, right? And I am
ये कि आपका अपर हैंड है.
हाँ, मतलब
हमेशा.
अपर हैंड रहता है. कभी कभी हमसे भी मिस हो जाती है अगर कोई डिटेल्स, तो एटलीस्ट हम क्लियर हैं कि भाई ये मिस हो गया, बाकी सब तो डॉक्यूमेंटेड ही था.
ठीक है.
तो that way you are safe. अब I'll give you another example, absolutely polar. Okay, there is one creator we are working with for a very big fintech brand.
Okay. Still working with.
We were working with.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. अभी द क्रिएटर है शॉट द वीडियो. एक तो स्क्रिप्टिंग में बहुत समय लग गया. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है हम स्क्रिप्टिंग कर नहीं सकते. इस कैलिबर का क्रिएटर है वो. देयर इज नो वे, लाइक समबडी हु हैज 10 million फॉलोअर्स, हाउ विल आई डू इट? आई कैन नॉट डू इट. यू हैव टू शेयर इट विद मी, देन आई विल सिट एंड डीप डाइव इनटू इट. माय टीम कैन गो थ्रू एंड देन वी कैन शेयर इट. अभी उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट भेजी, हमने स्क्रिप्ट चेंज करा के, थोड़ा समय लगता है क्योंकि फिनटेक ब्रांड है भाई, कंप्लायंस होगा, ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी, वो सब किया उन्होंने. स्क्रिप्ट भेज दिया हमने, इन्होंने शूट कर लिया थोड़ा 2-3 दिन में, शूट करके वीडियो भेज दिया. नाउ दे सेंट अ वीडियो विद टू अस विच दे क्लेम इज़ अ फर्स्ट कट, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ फर्स्ट कट, इट्स अ रफ कट. My understanding of first cut is what Google says.
Correct.
And what, I have a film director in the team. What he says, or even what the client is saying, that is the first cut. First cut is not what you are making a definition out of, right? Yeah. So
joining the clips and sending.
Exactly. Now, अब आप सोचिए कितना इन्वेस्टेड है वो क्रिएटर. द क्रिएटर इज सो इन्वेस्टेड, ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी शॉट द वीडियो, गिवन इट टू अस. Now the problem here is that I am not able to get this approved from the brand because the brand is saying that the key elements are missing. तो either you tell them कि भाई वो key elements ला के दे तो हम तुरंत कर देंगे.
सही है.
This is a very simple fix.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
That creator said, I will not do it. This is cancelled and we will not touch this video anymore. You'll have to create our entire dues and only then we'll proceed. So now that is a situation where, I am also not wrong. My client is also not wrong.
Nobody is wrong, but agency got stuck.
But I got stuck. And I had to apologize. I had to, apologize for this entire mess where it was such a high value collaboration, which the creator was not willing to go ahead with. I apologize. I put in my, my thoughts and everything, and I told the client that aisa tha. And we moved on. So these are certain challenges. You can't do anything about it. ये तो आपके कंट्रोल में भी नहीं.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
आप क्या करेंगे? वो उसने फॉरफिट कर दिया, वो गायब हो गया, एब्सकॉन्ड हो गया. You can't do anything.
सही बात.
So yeah, these are some agency level challenges, and some, I think, entrepreneurial challenges that I would say is, as an entrepreneur, it's being an entrepreneur is a very lonely journey. You are fighting with a lot of things within your head.
Correct.
Constantly. Whether it is making a decision, whether it is being patient about something, whether it's going into multiple pitches to multiple brands, new clients. You are just constantly fighting in your head. There is nobody who will ever come and support you. It's very important to talk to somebody. If you don't, it's just, I understand why so many founders have that issue of, being depressed or taking the wrong decisions. Correct. Or, are not able to continue as an entrepreneur. You can see so many instances. So it is a lonely journey. If you decide to be on it, you have to be fully committed, but also seek help. Just because you are a founder, तो मैं किसी से बात करूँगा तो मैं छोटा. Actually आप बात करेंगे, that is your insight. That is how you will feel better. So I think that's one challenge that I have faced constantly. Like I still, despite of having family members who are super supportive, there were days that I cannot communicate. There is nothing I can say, and it really pulls you down. It affects your work, it affects your daily routine. So I think if you are getting into entrepreneurship, be prepared. There will be days, but also be open to the fact that you need help, and you cannot do everything alone.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
So I think that's one
और
thing.
कोई बुरा भी नहीं है कि
Exactly,
हेल्प मांगने में.
exactly.
और वो ईगो वाला फैक्टर है,
हाँ.
उसको थोड़ा कम करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
exactly. And I was when I started 2 years ago, I thought I was still pretty young, but I see more younger people taking initiatives
Crazy.
and doing like crazy
Yeah,
things.
yeah, it's there.
So it's so much more important to help. I speak to so many people who are younger entrepreneurs or want to do something of their own every now and as much as I can. And that is I think I want to do that more actively and give. That's my way of giving to younger entrepreneurs, where I can speak to them and tell them, what can be certain challenges. And even though I am learning on the way as well. That's one core challenge. And second is something that comes to everyone who starts their entrepreneurial journey, is the fear of losing.
सबसे बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा challenge.
This can consume you. आपका
और इसका दर्द ना आप ही जानते हो.
हाँ,
कोई और जान भी नहीं सकता.
एग्जैक्ट. वो सामने वाला आपको बोलेगा अरे इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं, होता रहता है. नहीं, आपको नहीं पता मैंने कितना इन्वेस्ट किया ये पिच में. दिस समथिंग अबाउट आइडियाज दैट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड इज आइडियाज विल नेवर चेज यू. Sorry, you will never chase an idea.
Correct.
Ideas chase you. So when ideas have started chasing me and I've created an entire pitch out of it, and then it doesn't happen, it's really painful.
It is.
It is. So I think ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अगर रिस्क का एपेटाइट है तो थोड़ा फेयर का एपेटाइट भी होना चाहिए. It keeps
But
you
how do
humble.
you deal with that?
I'm still learning how to deal with it, to be honest. I have faith that I can do things. I know I have done things in certain way, and they can keep on happening. Of course, everyone wants to grow. I want to grow as well, and I want to do different things. And the problem with me is I have crazy ideas. And when I have those crazy ideas, if I get invested into any of them, I would love to see them getting converted.
Flourishing.
Because मैं देख रही हूँ इतने सारे brands हैं and इतने सारा random काम कर रहे हैं. Then how come this idea is not getting? So it's okay. I think I deal with it with time. With time, I understand कि कोई बात नहीं. It happens, but that should not stop you from thinking about what's fresh or what's.
Of course, हाँ, मतलब वो चलता है. और मुझे लगता है with time only you learn how to
हाँ,
deal ना.
हाँ, with
वो
time
समझ
only.
आता है कि यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. And एक और चीज़ है, जैसे I follow Shah Rukh Khan's quotes a lot, and
Yeah.
I watch a lot of his videos. तो उसने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली थी कि यार मैं ना इमोशनली डिटैच्ड रहता हूँ. तो आई थिंक वो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अगर जो सीख जाता है, इमोशनली जितना डिटैच्ड हो आप उतना ही ज्यादा ये फियर ऑफ लूजिंग वाले चक्कर से बाहर रहोगे. और
That's true, but मैं वो नहीं कर पा रही.
है ना, ये बहुत
अभी
टफ
तक
है
मैं
करना.
नहीं कर पाई.
बहुत ये कहना आसान है.
हाँ, ये कहना नहीं, but some people have mastered it. So for example, my co-founder, he has mastered this art. If he is on a vacation,
हाँ.
oh my God, he will not be touching his phone for
Super,
work.
super.
And I am constantly behind. Like my life will stop if my phone is somewhere else. I just cannot. And he is the most unbothered guy.
Chill
People
out.
are like, भाई तेरी job भी है. I'm like, इनकी तो नहीं है, आप देख ही लो. ये ऐसे ही चल रहा है इनका. He I absolutely envy people who have done this, who are able to detach themselves. But I think it comes with practice. You have to consciously practice to detach yourself. Otherwise, it's not possible.
But do you think it's
is.
important? Like it helps?
Yeah, it helps.
Emotionally.
Otherwise, you will never get a break like me. I have never gotten a break because I'm constantly in one zone, even when I'm on a vacation.
Correct.
And it's not good for you, right? I think it's something that I am actively trying to fix. It's something that everyone should, and newer entrepreneurs will get into that zone a little bit more कि नहीं अभी तो नया है, खुद का कर लेते हैं.
सही बात.
पर थोड़ा
वो विजडम आता है धीरे धीरे, थोड़ा फिर समझ में.
yeah, I guess.
सही है. अच्छा, बिफोर वी रैप मैं जानना चाहूँगा आपसे. ऑलराइट, सो निधि, आई जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर साइड, what are the two things that you want to change in the industry that you're working in currently? अगर आप उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं.
So I think what I would like, the first thing that I would like to change is the way that people work.
ओके
यार कोई भी चीज़ अर्जेंट नहीं होती. जिस हिसाब से अर्जेंसी का
बताया जाता है, ढोल पीटा जाता है.
इट्स इनसेन. कोई चीज़ अर्जेंट नहीं है. आप मुझसे जो अर्जेंटली मांग रहे हो मैंने वो अर्जेंटली दे दिया, पर हाउ कम आर यू सिटिंग ऑन इट फॉर 3 weeks?
Yes.
Explain. So I don't think the whole urgency thing.
Pressure of urgency.
Yeah, it's not good for you. It's not good for anybody. It's because you are still making someone wait, right? And I also think in the space of marketing and advertising, the more urgency, जितनी urgency के साथ चीज़ें हम करते हैं, right? There are more chances of making mistakes. अब मेरे को एक पिच देना है, मैं अगर इतना अर्जेंसी में करके दे दूँ तो वो पिच में से कुछ आइडियाज़ गायब भी हो सकते हैं, राइट? जो मुझे लग रहा था सॉलिड थे. थिंग्स गेट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. सो आई थिंक अर्जेंसी इज समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू गेट फिक्स्ड. द सेकेंड थिंग आई थिंक I would like to change is the way that brands are asking for pitches nowadays.
Okay.
Okay, I understand that it makes lives easier for a lot of smaller agencies, but it looks like a rat race to me.
Yeah.
It looks like a brand is opening a pitch to get engagement, but also get thousands of pitches and then selecting one out of it.
But what's wrong in that?
At least in my mind, the beauty about pitches is कि okay, you know who the agency is, you know what kind of work they do.
ठीक है.
आप उन्हीं से मंगवाओ ना.
अच्छा.
आपको पता है.
Stick to certain work, certain agency.
हाँ, मतलब just for LinkedIn engagement, why are you doing this? There are some really old players who have done really good work.
सही है.
But there are a lot of young players also who might have great ideas. But there is a structured way of getting this. I don't see why you need to, go to LinkedIn and get pitches where it's becoming a race. And most of them you will not open and see.
Yeah.
So how much time is that agency putting? It's a small agency like me or even smaller than mine. That agency will lose faith. कि मैं कितने pitches कर रहा हूँ हर हफ्ते. Nothing is getting.
कुछ आ रहा नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. I think it needs to be more focused. तो अच्छा, I have never participated in any of these pitches also because I think there is someone, one of our production houses who's also our partners,
okay,
based out of Mumbai. The founder of that production house, he told me once कि तुम जो कर रहे हो ना काम, तुम्हारा competition is not agency. Your competition is performance marketing. So never get into your head कि oh that agency is doing so much better, तो हमको भी करना है. What can you bring to the table has to be a unique differentiator.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Just do focus on that. You will see business coming your way.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
So that stuck around with me. So I don't think I need to see. I did not want to get into a rat race. That's why I started this. Right? I never got into doctors or being an engineer. I started this because of that. So I think that's the second thing I would like to change.
Got it. So I think if people will take up these things from that you have told, तो दोनों साइड पे बढ़िया रहेगा. एजेंसी साइड पे भी चीज़ें ठीक रहेंगी और ब्रांड साइड पे भी चीज़ें ठीक रहेंगी. स्ट्रक्चर इज व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. तो आई थिंक वो थोड़ा बेटर होगा. तो एंड इवेंचुअली आई थिंक हो ही जाएगा. एजेंसीज लाइक यू आर कमिंग अप, तो चीज़ें बेटर हो जाएंगी. तो इट वॉज ग्रेट टॉकिंग निधि टू यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग योर टाइम अगेन. Wonderful stories, wonderful, the structure of your journey that you have, great jumps that you've taken. Kudos to your husband, to your father first, who's shown some support, to your mother, then to your husband, who has actually given you the name of the company and then supporting you to eventually take that jump and having your own business. तो बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको उस चीज़ के लिए. And before you wrap this up, I always ask my people to do this. अगर आप इस कैमरा में देख के एक 20 साल की निधि जो बैठ के अभी फिलहाल एक फ़ोन पे या लैपटॉप पे या इस वीडियो को देख रही है, अगर आप उससे कुछ कहना चाहें और उसको एक दो एडवाइस देना चाहें कि बेटा ये कर लेना, क्योंकि मतलब अगर तुम कर लोगे तो हमारी लाइफ थोड़ी बेटर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं यार मैं कर लेती तो शायद और एक बेटर स्पेस में मैं होती. तो अगर आप वो एक दो एडवाइस देना चाहें टू द यंगर निधि जो अभी स्टार्ट कर रही है, उतनी ही फायर जितनी आप में है उसके अंदर भी है, तो वो क्या होगी इस कैमरा में?
या आई थिंक 20 साल की निधि को अगर बोला होता भाई अभी कूद जाओ, तो आई वुड हैव बीन द फर्स्ट मूवर ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली, अगर मैं तभी कूद गई होती तो. बट या आई थिंक देर इज़ नो रीज़न टू बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ वॉट यू कैन डू और हाउ यू कैन मेक एन इम्पैक्ट. अगर आपके दिमाग में एक आइडिया है, you need to just take that leap of faith and get some guidance from somebody and just jump in, just start whatever that might be, whether it is it is a business of a physical thing or it's getting into digital marketing or doing something in advertising. Just go ahead and take the leap. There's no other way of knowing whether you'll make it or not. अगर आपने वो जंप ही नहीं ली तो पता नहीं चलेगा. Yeah.
कुछ और ऐसी कोई बात, यार मैंने काश करा होता पहले जंप के अलावा, कुछ और कर लिया होता तो कहीं कुछ चीजें अलग होती, या एक लाइफस्टाइल में कुछ अगर आपको लगा कि यार ये चेंज मैं अपने अंदर पर्सनली लेके आती.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Something that I think 20-year-olds need to take very seriously is their health. There is nothing that's going to save you the way your health can.
Correct.
I wish I had done some things differently when I was 20 years old, because what you do from 20 to 25 or 30 is what will determine our next 20 years.
Right.
All those reports and blood reports will start
Correct.
getting on your nerves and will become hindrances. Some people are very lucky with their health. With God's gift, they have great metabolism. But I think health is very, very important to have focus on as a good entrepreneur who's ready to jump into the well.
तो मतलब उसको साइडलाइन नहीं करना है हेल्थ को.
नहीं, हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी, आपकी सबसे बड़ी प्रायोरिटी है. आपकी हर चीज़, काम से पहले, फैमिली से पहले, इट्स योर हेल्थ. इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग बेटर, there's no point.
Good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much for taking our time. It was great talking to you.
Likewise.
All right, guys. बड़ी मज़ेदार ये पॉडकास्ट रहा, ये बहुत मज़ेदार वीडियो रहा. आई एम श्योर आपको पसंद आया होगा. बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स हैं निधि से जो आई एम श्योर आपको मिली होंगी. प्लीज़ जब भी अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करें, इन बातों का ध्यान रखिए, बिकॉज दीज आर रियल स्टोरीज, दीज आर रियल फैक्ट्स दैट आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ दीज एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. और बॉसवाला के साथ जुड़े रहिए, बिकॉज आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग अप सम ग्रेट स्टोरीज, ग्रेट कंटेंट, स्पेशली फॉर द बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु आर थिंकिंग कि यार कुछ तो अच्छा करना है लाइफ में, कुछ बड़ा करना है. तो दोस्त, बॉसवाला आपके साथ है. माय नेम इज केशव पुरी, साइनिंग ऑफ. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.
बॉसवाला, बी द बॉस.